everyone, my name is Daisy. I'm going to be showing you how to register online for 2021 senior students. Let me show you. Okay, first thing I need to let you know is that there are two ways to register online. The first way is through the portal, the student portal, and the second way is through the student enabler. I'm going to show you the student portal first. So what you need to do is log into your student portal by adding your student number and your student password. I'm going to give you a moment to log in. Once you've logged in, you can look at the left-hand side of the screen and there you'll see the student enabler. Click on it, and this is the screen that you will use to register online. The second way is to register through the student enabler directly. How you do that is by searching the UNAM website, that is www.unam.edu.na. Once the website is opened, scroll down, click on online registration, and then you're going to see a screen that asks you to log into your student enabler. Put in your student number and your PIN. If you don't have a PIN, you can use the default PIN, which is 74921, or you can contact the computer center via text message or WhatsApp. The numbers are 061-206-3041 or 061-206-3014. Once you have a PIN, log in. This is the screen, as I said, that you're going to use to register. Look on the left hand side, and on the menu you're going to see registration. Underneath you'll see rules and regulations. There you're going to see the agreement on the right hand side. Scroll down and make sure everything is all right. Then on the left hand side of the screen there's submit registration. Click on there and then click on save and continue. Select all your modules, and once you've selected all of them, click on save and continue. Then you're going to see a screen with all the modules that you've selected. If everything is all right, click on continue. The next screen is the fee structure. That is just to show you all the modules with their respective fees and your total cost. If everything is fine, click on accept registration. And now you finally reach the end of registration, where you'll see your proof of registration. If you want to print it out, just scroll down and click on the button that says printer friendly format. And then you're going to see a PDF form of your proof of registration. Once you've printed out your proof of registration, you are a registered student. Congratulations. So now, I just need to remind you, obviously, because of COVID-19, please use your mask, sanitize, and keep your social distancing.